Hello all and welcome. My name is Marco. I'm doing today's training on behalf of County EPOS Systems down in Oakdale Pool. Today we'll be looking at the basic functionality of Pocket Touch. So, when you first open your Pocket Touch application, it should look something like this. You'll have all the different categories from your till in your main screen. First thing I'm going to show you is how to sync the tablet to your till. So if you go to config here on the bottom right, I'm just going to sign on first. Okay. If you press sync till, this is going to sync up any information from your till to your tablet. I usually emphasize that when you first pick up the tablet that day or in the last couple of hours, if it hasn't been used, just do a sync with till. This will ensure that there is a strong connection and there are no problems in the communication between the handheld and the till just before you reach the customer and start putting an order through. Then immediately below that, you have got receipt on/off. You press this, and anytime you do a transaction, it will print a copy, possibly to give to the customer or to keep a copy of it. Obviously, this can be toggled on and off. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to do a very simple transaction, and then I'll show you how to change a few things regarding adding or removing items. So the basic transaction in here will be opening an item, opening a table, putting a couple of items on, sending it to the kitchen, and printing a bill. So first things first, we signed on already. So, but let's do it again regardless. Number one, okay. Obviously on your side you'll be using your own clerk. Let's go to table, open table. We're going to go to table number 1. These will pull back from your till, so your layout will be custom to what you have on your till. Open. Now we're going to put a burger. This will prompt, if you have any prompts, it'll show you here. Let's put chips, couple burgers, back, and also a couple of drinks. Back. Table, and now I want to just send this table through to the kitchen. Press send to table. What this does is this sends the order to the till, and the till then redirects the order accordingly to the relevant printers and dispense printers. Okay, now if I want to take a bill from that table, print bill, it does prompt to sign on again. Let's press on here. When you press open, you'll have the bill printed by your master till. Now, a couple more functionalities in here. I'm just going to bring a couple of items first. Just a couple of starters. Okay. So, in here, if you press on order, it will toggle between the whole order and the ringing side of it. Or you can press on any of the white field in here on the top, and it will toggle between these two modes. In here you have set seat if you want to define the amount of covers that are on that on this order. Add and subtract item will respectively increase or decrease the amount of this item in the order. If you've got multiple items and you want to delete them all at once, you can just press line correct. And toggle for items that have multiple sizes will change between, as you can see, half and pint. So multiply, it does exactly as it implies. If you put 8, you will change it to 8 instead of having to press multiple times. Okay. Then in here, under miscellaneous, on the bottom left, you also have current seed. That's exactly the same thing as before. Text message, in case you want to add a custom message. So or you have the option of having some preset messages. These are generally either very regular messages or messages that are too long to type, so you'll want to use this for this functionality. Obviously, you want to limit how much you have here and not make sure you don't spend more time scrolling through the messages rather than just typing them. And finally, let's just open the table and send. As you could see in here, I rang the order and then opened the table and sent it. It will work all the same. In final, in here, you do have the option of caching up tabs. This generally only works for tabs before they've been submitted. So this is usually for venues that will take orders and payment at the same time. This is usually where it's recommended to use it in this way. It is possible to change that, but we recommend you consult with us before. Some of the functionalities that are not present in here will be anything that changes the total of the tables. This is mostly a security feature, but this order pad is meant to be mostly one way, where you're able to send orders from the pad to the table. If you want to remove items, set discounts, or cancel transactions, or cash off a transaction, all of those should be done at the till point. As far as functionality goes, this is really the full range of it. Once you know where each of these are, it becomes fairly simple. So we'll leave it here for now. Thank you very much, and have a good rest of your day.